Hey everyone, Road Warrior 72 here. I am back for another video, and I have some updates on the car, and I also have some other news, but first the car. So I have a brake master cylinder heat shield that we're going to put on the car. So the other news that I have is that I have registered to drive in the October drift event for DriftIndy. It is the Halloween Bash, and this would be my first event. And it's about 3 weeks away, so that means that I really need to get kicking on the car. And there's a lot of little things that I need to do to it. So we're gonna go ahead and install this heat shield and go from there. Alright, so first of all, I'm just going to do some test fitment here, and I'm going to have to pull that bottom bolt off of the master cylinder where it goes into the brake booster. And then it also looks like I'm going to have to relocate this bolt right here, probably move it over here, and means I'll probably move that ground also. I don't think I have to lengthen that ground. I think it should be good, but that wire, I don't know, it might be, I might need to repair it, but anyway, we'll get there. So I'm just going to go on ahead and start pulling things apart, getting things moved around. And another thing that I need to do is, it looks like there's a leak here at the power steering, so that little short piece of hose, I would guess, is the culprit. So I need to fix that. And yeah, it's tightly mounted. I need to get a lot of this stuff moved around, properly mounted. I'm going to I'm going to have to move this wire out of the way, and I'm going to have to check a lot of these other wires, make sure they're all tight, and relocate where I need to, kind of clean some of this stuff up, and make this engine bay look a lot better than it currently looks. So we'll get to it. Okay, it'll fit. Just need to pop that little guy off. So there's no threads in this bolt here, or in this hole here. So I think I can get away with just having one bolt in there. I'd really like to have two, but I don't think I can get in there to really get a nut on. gonna try to figure something out there. Alright, so I got this ground wire very jankily extended, and looks like I might have extended it a little bit too much, but we're gonna make it work. So put that down there. Get our bolt in. Get her tightened down. Alright, and there's the heat shield. So that's a really bad repair, I know. Yeah, so I gotta do something about this. Actually, maybe what I'll do is loosen this bolt up a little bit, try to push it over a little bit more. I'm gonna have to start the car to get the steering wheel turned enough so that I could try to get a bolt in there, but we're gonna try. I found a bolt and I'm going to shove it in through the inside and use the nut and a washer on this side here, and then I drop the bolt and there goes the washer because I'm big and clumsy. Alright. Boy, that's really long. Well, unfortunately, I think it's going to have to work for now. Ouch. That just sliced me right open. Alright. Dang. I'm gonna have to tap that down with a hammer. Alright. Finally mounted. Let me go doctor up my little war wound. Tap that down with a hammer. Alright. Alright. So, next couple of things on the list. This is for, I'm assuming, goes up to the MAF, so that's for the Z32 MAF, and I'm wondering if I could just mount it right here. You know, drill a couple holes and mount it here. I'm gonna have to make sure that it would still clear. I wonder even, well, no, it won't fit there. Anyway, and then yeah, like I already said, I need to fix the power steering. But then I also need to put in an overflow tank, and this is the one that came with the radiator for the Mustang, but I might figure out somewhere to put it in this car. I thought about like maybe right here, but obviously if it's up that high the hood won't shut. So I don't know, I gotta figure out somewhere to put it because I need to have one, and if I can't use this one, then find one to use. So those are the next couple of things I need to do. So that's it for this part of the video. I'm probably going to pick up again maybe tomorrow or the day after. I just have real people stuff that I need to do this evening with the wife, so we'll pick back up later.